Hello everybody. Ano po ang panglabing-dalawa na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer? Hango sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02. Siyempre, kailangan malaman ng isang accredited PCO yung kanyang duty at para magampanan niya ito efficiently. Sabi po sa DAO 2014-02, especially yung pong Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02, item number 12, and I read and I quote, monitor the importation or distribution of chemicals, especially those listed under the PCL or Priority Chemical List, and those with CCO or Chemical Control Order, and the generation of solid and hazardous waste. Monitoring data shall be submitted as part of the self-monitoring report and the PCL compliance certificate. So kapag tayo ay isang accredited PCO at we are representing an establishment who are doing importation or distribution of chemicals, kailangan nating fill upan ang Module 2A ng self-monitoring report. So, kailangan i-monitor ng isang accredited PCO yung volume ng chemicals na ini-import or nadi-distribute. At lalong-lalo yung pong mga nadi-generate ng mga solid and hazardous waste. At yung data ay isasubmit through the self-monitoring report quarterly. Sa Module 2A ng self-monitoring report, nagpo-provide tayo ng information like yung quantity requested, import clearance number, date of arrival, quantity received, port of entry, country of origin, and country of manufacture. At ilalagay natin yung total quantity requested and then total quantity received. For distributor, naglalagay tayo ng name ng client, license number, quantity, date of distribution, and the total quantity distributed. So that's the duty of the accredited PCO per Section 10 of DAO 2014-02, item number 12. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. And if you want to know more, yung pong panglabing-tatlo na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited PCO, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you po at mabuhay tayong lahat.